Have you ever admired the exterior of a stunning building only to walk inside and feel disappointed? The architecture is a masterpiece, but the living room does not reflect the same beauty or elegance. I see this often. Many homes are filled with expensive furniture and finishes, but here is the truth. Price does not equal luxury. Luxury is thoughtful, it is curated, it is soul nourishing. In today's video, I'll show you 5 mistakes people make when designing their living rooms and how to correct them so that your home truly reflects timeless luxury. Mistake 1, matchy furniture. Your sofa, console, dining set, coffee table, all identical. Matchy furniture feels mass market and soulless. Instead, curate. Choose timeless pieces that are cohesive, not identical. At Joylin Studios, we begin with a mood board to capture your vision and your personal style before we buy a single thing. This saves you costly mistakes while creating a home that feels uniquely yours. Mistake 2, overloading with family photos and souvenirs. Walls covered with family photos, souvenirs, and awards may feel personal, but they create clutter, not comfort. Luxury breeds. Replace excess frames with a statement piece artwork or limit to just one large family portrait. Accessories. Group a few in a tray and let empty space do its magic. Negative space is a hallmark of refined design. Mistake 3, copying Pinterest or a neighbor. Pinterest is inspiration, not instruction. Copying another person's home robs you of your own uniqueness. True luxury reflects your taste, your lifestyle, and your personality, not someone else's highlight reels. Mistake 4, bright colors everywhere. Bright colored walls, shiny gold furniture, heavy patterns, all screams. It doesn't whisper. True luxury whispers. It's discreet, yet undeniable. Choose a neutral base for your walls and invest in high-end fabrics like linen, velvet, silk for your drapery or your upholstery. Mistake 5, excess of same thing. Too much of one element. Gold, carvings, glass, stones, patterns, frames dilute its power. Luxury thrives in restraint. Fewer well-chosen pieces, feel rare and exclusive. Less is more, even when you can afford more. If this inspired you to reimagine your living room, remember, luxury is not about spending more, it's about designing with intention. On this channel, I share how to transform your space into a home that inspires joy and well-being. I share new videos every Sunday, so do subscribe, like, and share with a friend. Don't keep this a secret. Thank you so much for watching. I am Umma Bamuchi. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.